The Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 are now getting the Wear OS 4 update. The update slightly changes the way you install external APKs on the watch via ADB debugging over Wi-Fi, and I'll explain the steps to do the same in this video. These steps only work on Wear OS 4 devices. For Wear OS 3 and lower, follow the first link in the description. First up, disconnect the watch from your phone by turning off the Bluetooth on your phone. Then turn on your phone's Wi-Fi hotspot. On the watch, open Wi-Fi and connect to this hotspot. After a connection is established, head over to Settings, scroll down to About Phone, open Software Info, and tap on the software version multiple times. Now developer settings should be enabled. Open that and turn on ADB debugging. This is where things start to differ from Wear OS 3. You now need to open this wireless debugging option, enable that and allow debugging. Now open the Debugging app on your phone. You'll need to pair the watch over Wi-Fi to the phone to use ADB. Tap on Pair New Device on your watch and you should see IP address, port and a pairing code. Input all of that in the Debugging app. This should now pair your watch. Now go back and connect to the watch by entering the IP address and the port again, and now you should be connected. You can now install APKs and do all that you could with ADB. I'll just test this out by installing VI Music. And it works. So that's all. Thanks for watching.